Hello everyone, wish you a very happy new year 2024. In this video, we will tour the Christmas market near Cologne Cathedral, which is next to the Cologne train station. Here is the Cologne Cathedral and, in a short while we will enter the magical Christmas market of Cologne. Isn't it festive environment around? People taking photos, laughter, happiness all around you. Now we are walking into the Christmas market and here you go. Cool. Lot of lights and of course food, wine and tourists. Let me try to go near to that tree of lights. Here is the view of the cathedral from inside the Christmas market. I think there is a music concert going on. Very well decorated stage, but I had no place to stand and it was very crowded. Thank you for watching. I wish you a very prosperous and a happy new year 2024 once again. That is one awesome vintage truck. Who would not want to drive that? Or at least ride Cologne in that vintage truck. Here I conclude my Christmas Market Cologne video. Consider subscribing to Explorative Eye for more similar videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.